Welcome back. So today I was sitting on my desk in a plan to create an application using Flutter as my AI coach. So I thought I can use ChatGPT's 4.1 flagship model to help me to do it completely from start to end. I'm gonna give ChatGPT the prompts, and it's going to give me the code and everything to create that application completely. I'm gonna spend like 2 to 3 hours on this application and get it completed with the help of ChatGPT. So I thought I can document it and put it on my YouTube. So my plan is to create an AI coach that can help me to keep my task goals and milestones. Also, give me suggestions as an accountability partner or a coach about my daily tasks, milestones, etc. So I'm going to start the video right now, and you can see I'm going to write my prompts for the ChatGPT and how its responses are structured, and I'm sure that we can create a complete end-to-end application using ChatGPT. Yeah. So without any wait, let's get right into it. So you can see my screen. I'm gonna give the prompts. So as you can see, this is the response I have received from ChatGPT. So it told me to install Freelance .sdk, and it gave me the basic things to start with a Flutter application, and it told me to research and plan. Okay, so project foundation initialize Flutter. Okay, that's fine. Implement task model, create a task numbers, vision goals, milestones, instruct. Daily reflection, basic coaching, implementation, space integration. Okay, so I'm gonna ask him to for the next actionable step I need to take. Okay, so it gave me this. It told me to create a Flutter application, and in the PubSpec YAML, I need to give these dependencies and to get the uh, packages using Flutter PubGet. So Flutter PubGet is used to download all the packages to the project, and it also gave me the starting point for that application, lib/main.dart. So let's get with it. I'm going to work exactly based on the guidance of the ChatGPT today. So I can use this, I can do Command Shift P, use this Flutter new project to create a new Flutter project. I'm gonna create an application. So we can copy this code and put it in the lib/main.dart. So let's run it in the simulator. And we will tell the ChatGPT that we have done that. Give me the next step. So I have added these dependencies as well. So before doing any project, I would suggest you to push it to your Git repository, or at least create a local Git for that. So to create a Git, you need to give this git init command. Okay. So now you have Git, and what you can do is you can add this, you can check the Git status, you can add these files, and you can commit as you go along. It will keep history. So I'll suggest you to have a git ignore file first. So we will add that to Git, and also we'll commit we will commit the first changes. Okay, so we have completed the first step, and we'll see what is the next step. Okay, let's create these folders inside lib, model services, screens, widgets. Okay, we have done with the initial work. So we are using Hive as the local DB. So we are going to create the first model of our application, will be the task model. And we are going to run this command to create this task.g.dot file. I need to add this as the dev dependencies. So the task.g.dot file has been created. And the next thing, register the adapter in main.dot. So the beginning, so the main function in the main.dot would be like this. So in the services, we are going to create task service.dot file. And we are going to create task screen. Okay, so I have asked about that error, and it told me to just Flutter on. So let's see how it works. I'll do Flutter on. So I'm getting this Coco Pods error. I'm gonna go install Coco Pods. So as you can see, we have created a simple application that can open up the tasks and create new tasks with the description and add it. You can track it. You can check it, uncheck it. So this is a basic thing, very basic thing, considering the length, the features that we wanted for this project. This is a very small starting point, but still we are making a progress. So I think we need to ask ChatGPT for the new set of tasks. So let's see what ChatGPT says. Okay. Implement task management UI. Created this. Asking for the next. I think it thought we have. So I think the ChatGPT was thinking we have just fixed that error and want to move on. So it gave me the previous instructions again. You have completed project setup, Hive model config, task management UI. This fits your workflow and roadmap perfectly. Here's a focus plan. Allow users to set their long-term vision and define goals. This will later link to tasks and can be leveraged by the AI. So I need to create this vision model. Okay. Okay. So let's create this vision model. The next thing is to create a goal.dot. We need to run that previous command again and create a new. Okay. Worked. I need to update this in the main.dot file. That's done. I need to create this vision goal screen.dot. Add a new button. So in here we need to add a new button. So let's do one thing. We can create this a column. We'll make this a column and add a new button. vision and goals. And then my vision here. And I need to be software engineer. I think we need to modify these boxes a little bit. It shouldn't be becoming bigger, say, and the text. Say like by the end of this month. That's my goal. I want to be, sorry, I want to be something. I need to explore. I think that's it for now. Solution and goals are set. My tasks are set. Okay. So we completed that as well. What's the next? How beautiful is it? It is, right? I'm also doing this for the first time. So I'm very much, surprised to know that how better is AI. Okay, so we need to do reflection dot and this file reflection dot. That's it. We need to add this one as well. The main dot file. Reflection screen. So we'll add this also in the home screen. I forgot to pull I dot open box. No, they need to from a port straight this time. Okay. What's the day? What did you learn? Where did you struggle? Okay. So I think we are in the right track, guys, because now it have the capacity to create tasks and set vision and goals and to the daily reflection. Three important things of the application tasks. So we have completed that part, but we need to do much more things. And I think in the course of these 2 weeks, we are gonna do it, and we are gonna complete fairness to integrate AI codes functionality. Can prepare an LLM API, choose your LLM provider, add its TTP dependency. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, this is a big step, guys. We are going to integrate the ChatGPT API. So let's do it. I'm gonna copy this. I'm going to create an account for OpenAPI platform. Create a new secret API here. Yeah, it goes. I'm gonna copy it. So I'm gonna paste it here. I'm going to create this screen. And copy the API key and paste it here. And we will add a new button in the home screen to navigate to this page. I need help with my daily planning. It says there was a problem with AI service. I'm not sure what happened. So let me print that waiting from them to understand the problem. I would say I have exceeded my current quota. Please check my planning and billing details. Okay. I think I need to pay for that API to use it in the application. I'm not sure if there is any free API that I can use. Let me ask ChatGPT what it says. Okay, so I have copied that. This is the error message I'm getting from OpenAPI. I'm asking if there is any alternative. I think that there can be some alternative tools. Okay, let's try with Gemini. I think this is fine. We can try it again. Okay. Okay, I think the way we are parsing it was wrong. I'm getting the correct answers here. You can see. We'll fix it. Can you redesign this? Yes. Responses. Okay, I'm going to perform a force restart and force that chat high. Okay. Oh, great. So we have integrated the chat assistant also to our application. So it says, yes, I'm ready to have to give you the best assistance, blah, blah, blah. So uh, let me ask the ChatGPT if our application is going to store the previous messages to send it back to AI agent we have integrated with the application to make the responses better. I think it's gonna add these messages here. Okay. Maybe we can ask it. I need to update my goals. Do you remember what was the name? Okay, I think it's not storing the previous messages. So I need to make that work. So is it storing my previous messages to give back responses based on context? Or can you implement that? So as of now, the AI is not storing anything, and it's giving me the response based on the last request I have sent. So it doesn't have any context, but we need context to have a good AI agent. So we are going to replace the send messages with this. I'm not sure what changed, but let's see if it works. Hi, my name is Shrav. want to be this here to help me to I think it for me smile, so I believe it said the details now. Do you remember my name? Okay, that's great. So what could be the next step? For, so basically, I think I'm gonna stop here. I believe we have progressed in for the initial day. We have progressed much, and I'm very happy that we have progressed this far. And I believe tomorrow we are going to do some wonderful things again. So before winding up the video, I'm going to ask ChatGPT what would be the next step. So obviously, here are the most impactful next steps. It's speech capabilities. Okay, automatically feed data to the coach. When users chat with the coach, automatically inject the latest vision goals and today's reflection into the form of system context, not just the chat history. This way, the AI coach offers truly personalized and relevant guidance. Progress or milestone tracking, visual dashboard, and users see how many tasks. Okay, we will use onboarding. That's for later. I need to focus. As of now, I need to focus on uh, the main feature of the application to give me excellent personal coaching based on my goals and my vision. It needs to provide me with tasks. I don't know. The ChatGPT had a confusion with it, so the I coach should be able to get my vision and goals and suggest me. Okay, I think I'm clear about that. So maybe the first thing we are going to do tomorrow is to integrate the AI agent in a way that for each query we are making, we are going to fetch the vision and the goals from local storage and give it to the AI agent. And based on that, it will give the response back. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. And if you have liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you again. Bye-bye.